In a scene straight out of a comedy sketch, a mischievous cat and a determined Roomba engage in an epic, slow-motion chase around the living room. The cat, with its eyes wide and tail fluffed in mock terror, leaps gracefully from couch to coffee table, narrowly avoiding the relentless advance of the robotic vacuum. Meanwhile, the Roomba, undeterred by its quarry's acrobatics, continues its programmed pursuit, navigating obstacles with surprising agility. Every so often, the cat pauses to playfully swipe at the Roomba's casing, only to dart away as the machine inches closer. The spectacle is a delightful mix of slapstick and grace, echoing the hilarity of classic funny videos where cats tumble from countertops or people hilariously misjudge a jump. The living room becomes a theater of laughter, where every near miss and unexpected collision adds to the joy, leaving both the cat and the Roomba as unwitting stars in a comical ballet of modern life.